How to watch movies together in Netflix. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can watch movies together in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to watch movies together in Netflix, by default, the Netflix app itself doesn't allow you to do this. So you have to keep that thing in mind. It's not a streaming thing. It doesn't let you share your screen with others unless you choose and they're under a family plan and then you share your password. That's a different process. But if you want to watch together, by the Netflix app, you can't do it, but there's still a solution. And just go to your app store or from iPhone or iOS, doesn't really matter, and search for an application called Rave. So Rave is a watch party application that will allow you to stream your screen with other people around your group or your friends and all. So open up the Rave app and make sure to create an account and directly link with your Google account if that's the case. Now the way the Rave works is that if you want to, let's say, share your Netflix with friends or the screen so that you want to watch together, you can tap the plus button over here, then you can tap on Netflix and log into your Netflix account. Then you can create a room, and in that room other people will be able to join. So here are the public rooms. If you want to make it private, you can also make it private. These are the public rooms, and here you can see these are what people have been watching right now. And if you want to go ahead and then watch with them, you can simply go ahead and search for it inside the watch movies section over here. If you want to add some friends, you can also go ahead and then basically add those friends by typing on this little option. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then watch movies together in Netflix. By Netflix you can't do it, but by using the Rave app you'll be able to share your screen. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.